Hi, hello, everybody of you, of course, will know that Goldeneye and Coloressense pigments are fully REACH compliant. But we made up our minds how we can deliver all the important informations to you and to your salons. Because in the end, all the pigmentists now are being examined by the authorities from June 2022. And therefore, we try to make things much more easy for you. So right from now on, you can have the Coloressense pigment booklet. And that's quite a good and logical tool for you to keep all informations about production, about all the examinations in the laboratories. Whenever you buy a new color pigment from Coloressense from Goldeneye, you will receive automatically inside the box a little sticker, and you just put this sticker into your booklet. So you will have access to all important informations of all colors that you're actually using in your salons. So here you will write down your name, your salon number, the address, and probably also the cabin in which one these colors are being used in case you have more than one permanent makeup cabin. So we all hope to give you the right tool for your success. So keep in mind to collect all the informations for the REACH compliancy in your salon, and well, remain having fun with our beautiful colors, because you remember they're not only safe and REACH compliant, they're also absolutely beautiful and ethical.